A silent force. With the power to sniff out things easily, gets ready to help the police the best way they can. The West Bengal Police Dog Squad, where the bond between canines and humans is forged through systematic training and unflinching dedication. The training is designed to equip these extraordinary dogs with the skills required to meet the present-day law enforcement challenges. From drug detection to finding explosives to tracking felons, these smart dogs are responsible for keeping our community safe and secure.
TNT high explosive, sir. Sir, what is high explosive?
With passion and undeterred confidence, the West Bengal Canine Unit works in a variety of areas, providing valuable support to the police department. Over the ages, dogs have earned the rightful moniker of being man's best friend, and even today, they stand as the manifestation of their relationship and cooperation with humans since the primitive age. West Bengal Police Dog Squad.